All right, let's get started. Welcome everyone to the 2024 Interledger Summit in lovely Cape Town, South Africa. Welcome. It sort of feels like a gathering of the tribes, a gathering of the family. You can see the connections that have gone on from year to year.
It's been amazing, just getting to know the Interledger community.
It's like a touch point once a year where you see a lot of familiar faces. You know, Interledger is all about connectivity.
This summit is not just a reflection of our collective progress, but also a testament to the growing global movement toward open, interoperable, and inclusive financial systems.
The biggest thing about having the summit in Africa is you get a completely different perspective on payments. You get these different people kind of coming together, everybody brings their experience.
And then there's all these new ideas that are sprouting out, and I'm like, okay, have you talked to this person and this person? Here's a community that is trying to do good in the world, that's trying to change the world, and they're doing it through open payments.
We don't only do technology, we do technology that touches people's lives and changes it for the better.
Probably the most exciting thing about the 2024 Summit is we're starting to make progress. You're starting to see things on the ground that work, demos. It's not as theoretical anymore.
The talks I attended, the projects I've seen, they work together, which is such an amazing thing to see.
One of the most amazing projects is probably Chimani's project. They are doing cross-border payments with the ALP stack.
The panelists that they had this year has been phenomenal. One in particular that stuck to my mind are the parliamentarians.
We worked with an existing consortium of really tech-focused MPs, and now their brains are just exploding with ideas about how this might work.
It's always the parties. I think the evening party at the Zeitz Museum was very lively.
The party is really good. Getting to the local moves to get some dancing going.
My experience has been incredible. It's amazing how people from education, policy, research have come together to talk about financial inclusion.
Thank you all so much for coming and being here with us at our third annual summit. You are what makes this community so vibrant and amazing, and we hope to see you again next year.